Winco products are made to meet the high demands of a kitchen. Trusted and reliable. Winco products range from tabletop to kitchen utensils to food preparation supplies. Winco products are used by all food service and hospitality industry experts worldwide. Good quality product. Winco has been a trusted and reliable brand in professional kitchens for over 20 years. Our commercial lines of products, ranging from tabletop to kitchen utensils to food preparation supplies, are used by all food service and hospitality industry experts worldwide. While our products are made to meet the high demands of a restaurant kitchen, we are excited to now make them available for the serious home chef. Top reviews from the United States. Not the only jigger you need, but good to have in your arsenal. This jigger doesn't take the place of other jiggers that have measurements more or less than an ounce, like 3/4 of an ounce or 1.5 ounces, for example, but it's a solid one that I use when I need to make drinks fast and I know what the measurements are. Especially the 2 ounces side, which is nice, because most jiggers or shot glasses are only 1.5 ounces. The 2 ounces side is great if you're making a cocktail that requires more than 1.5 ounces of a liquor, or, if you're like me, and you want a little more in a shot than just 1.5 ounces, ya know?